Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change text size on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change text size on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. On this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see a three-lined icon available for us at the top left. Tap on the three-lined icon and this kind of interface or panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings. And over here you can see there is the chat settings available for us under the category of settings just above the privacy and security. Tap on chat settings, and over here you can see there is a slider available for us at the top of the screen where there it says the message text size. Now in order to change your text size on Telegram, simply drag that slider over like this guys, and you can see the text size is changing on the Telegram message section in the demo picture below, and slide it to your preferable text, and with that being done guys, your text size on Telegram will be changed. And there guys, this is how to change text size on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.